In the coming lectures, we are going to talk about consensus in blockchain systems. So blockchain nodes are synchronizing their data all the time. This is exactly what we have been discussing when talking about immutable ledger, that every single node in the decentralized network has a copy of the blockchain itself. The blockchain is the immutable ledger containing all the transactions in the network. So in this case, if a client makes a given transaction, then he or she will append that transaction as a block to the blockchain. Of course, he or she has to notify all the other nodes in the network in order to update their ledgers. So that's why blockchain nodes are synchronizing their data all the time. And because there's no central authority to approve the operations such as transactions in Bitcoin, so the majority of the nodes should reach a consensus before updating the distributed ledger. And basically this process is called consensus. For example, when a given miner manages to find the golden hash by tuning the nonce within the block, so the miner is able to verify a given transaction and adds the block to the blockchain, the other nodes must reach a consensus whether to approve that given block or not. So this process is called the consensus, and Byzantine generals problem is a good illustration of how distributed consensus work. So in the next lecture, we are going to talk about the Byzantine generals problem, and finally in the last lecture, we are going to talk about why to use proof of work to solve this consensus problem. Thanks for watching.